go.
We're gonna attack. There's not much till resistance right now.
We need to let the sail out more.
Now push the mast up. Or the boom, I should say. Good.
I don't think that that's gonna be untangled.
Now we float. Oh, I didn't realize you extended it. I was like, why is it so far out there?
So we have northwest winds blowing up towards the creek, and we just motored out towards the end of the creek so that we can catch those northwest winds, and we just put our sails up. We're gliding pretty smoothly. The wind is going 6 miles per hour, gusting at 14. And it's a beautiful sunny 80-degree day. Yeah.
Just a beautiful Sunday sail.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are worse ways to spend a Sunday.
Oh yeah. This is quite a beautiful way to spend the day.
That's right.
This is probably the best wind we've had all year.
Oh yeah. Definitely all year. For sure. Just trying to figure out now what's the best way to catch it. Actually blowing straight off our port side.
Okay.
So I mean, I think that's the best way over here, honestly.
This?
Gu Lagoon. Oh, you're recording? Oops. Good.
So we have no destination today. We are just day sailing.
Just going where the wind takes us.
How fast do you think we're going?
800 knots. Probably like 3 to 4, maybe 5 knots max.
So we're catching a 6 miles per hour wind, and I'd say we're going about 4 knots, which is really nice.
Just doing his normal.
I love the smell of sunscreen.
Reminds you of summer. me, it's chlorine. Like the smell of chlorine just always reminds me of a warm day. Put in the comments what you think you associate summer with smell-wise the most. For me, it's sunscreen. For me, it's chlorine. Some people might be yellow. Some people might be a barbecue. You know.
Yeah. Or crabs.
Natty bow. Sweat.
Yeah.
You know. See if that's, I just want to see if this is faster or not. I don't know. That's good. That's a good question. Who knows? Who knows? So let's see if we can see any jellyfish, because there were these ginormous jellyfish last time we were out, and they were like the size of a softball. It was crazy. Other way, honey. They were like the size of a softball, and now for some reason I don't see any. I have not seen a single jellyfish today. I mean, you saw that little baby one yesterday. So I don't know where they go. Hopefully they've been extinct now. Hopefully they just vanished overnight.
So those were called lion's mane jellyfish. They were very large, a little bit pinkish orange in color, with very long tentacles. And they were just kind of like popped all over this creek. And apparently they are not usually in this area. They're supposed to be in the ocean. So it's kind of crazy that they like came all the way up here, but I guess it's because of warmer waters. Recently there's been reports of porpoises, dolphins, and cow-nose rays. So when the cow-nose rays, they show up around their mating season in early May, and the anglers often know that they can't really fish in that area because of the cow-nose rays coming in. Oh, I'm catching some good wind. Oh, look to your starboard side, there's a tree.
Just a lone tree. Like, it's the only one, and it's just growing out of just, yeah. Somehow that tree figured out how to grow out of mud, and is, you know, gonna have an infinite water supply. So, like, good job, Charles Darwin, I guess.
If I were that tree, I would be real happy.
Just maximum sun and water.
I love that.
Welcome to our sailing Chanel.
That was a good one.
Our sailing Chanel.
That was
Oh, it's good stuff.
I like that.
It's shallow right there.
If you have a peak interest in birds, this is the channel for you because I have recently entered my bird era and I have compiled a huge liking for all different birds. So far today we have seen a great northern American woodpecker, a bald eagle, a hummingbird, a sparrow, red cardinal. We've also seen a snake and a box turtle, and some loons. So I think the Chesapeake Bay is such a great place for you to look for nature and enjoy it. So I'm going to try to catch as many of those as I can throughout my videos and hope that you enjoy it as we sail on the Chesapeake Bay area. We're catching some great wind today. The water is a beautiful teal color today. We're not seeing those lion's mane jellyfish anymore, so I think they've gone to other places, thank goodness. We do have those little jellyfish that are like pretty normal, but those lion's mane were no joke and I did not want to even dip my toe in the water. Yeah, it's a beautiful start to the summer here. spot on the boat. Looks like heaven just forward. Alrighty, chasing Chesapeake, that's going to be it for us today. Glad you joined us and I hope you had a fun sail with us today. See ya!
Bye!